Hey everyone, Music here, and today I'm going to be doing a very special holiday video. So this is just basically a regular video, but obviously holiday edition, with a little skit in it. It's Christmas themed, but really it's for any kind of holiday season. But yeah, let's get right into it, and let's go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now seriously, let's go. Christmas, Jamaalidays. Honey, wake up! It's the Jamaalidays. Huh? What? No way! No way! The Jamaalidays? Yeah. That's literally like just what I just said. The Jamaalidays! Yep, now, why don't we just go downstairs and you can open up your present? Yay, presents! See what Santa Claus brought me. Ooh, a plushie. Football? Oh, that's cool. In the picture book about the alphas! With extra bright colors! That's what I've always wanted. Best Christmas ever. And he ate the cookies. That's great, honey. Now why don't you come open? I'll get it. Hello?
Yes, hello, ma'am. I am here to inform you that your daughter must fight in the war against the Phantom.
BTW, sorry for the interruptions. Wait. Hold up. My daughter? She's literally only 5. Is someone talking about me? Oh, no, honey. Don't worry about it. I was just...
Yes, kid, we need you to fight in the war
against the Phantoms. Well, it's actually not unusual of them to enslave young children and make them do the work of 25-year-old men, or really more like 40-year-old men, actually. Anyways, yeah, we basically need you to fight against the Phantoms because alphas, basically just like I just said, enslave young children. So, will you fight for the future of our kind? Ote, Mommy, can I please? Please, Mama? No, I'm not letting you go out there. You could get extremely hurt. Look, woman, don't you want Jamal to be safe? My coffee break is literally in 5 minutes. I do not want to miss it. Fine, but only because I can totally relate to that coffee thing. Honey, I want you to be very careful. Okay, Mommy. Bye. Bye, sweetie. Hope to see you soon. Come on, kid, I ain't got all day. Alrighty, bye.